Hello and welcome to another episode right here on Junior Kanye TV. I am Dlandla Sichele. This episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting, hashtag WSB, hashtag bet with the best. Now, this past weekend, we had very interesting games that took place in the CAF Confederations Cup, the CAF Champions League, as well as the Betway Premiership. And hey, man, things are changing. Sadly for Kaizer Chiefs, they are out of the Confederations Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns fought yet another time to stay on the Champions League. And Orlando Pirates are tightly putting on the screws there and holding on to the title. And the race is looking more interesting than ever. On my left, I've got Junior Kanye. On my right, I've got Michael Nkambule. Gents, how are you doing? Nkrendwena? And Michael, you said Gyoba Amatro. Sundowns won. Unfortunately, Kaizer Chiefs is out. Your thoughts on that?
Aish. Ya yona leyo nanhlanhla khuluma iqiniso akusinte vele bengibhekile ngoba if unga-check man i-Chiefs the way beyiphusha ngakhona until izifike la ikhona kuma last game. That's why bathi vele football kumele udlale until ezamagame aphele sizobona ukuthi like kwenzakalani ngawe. But nenye into engikhala ngayo kakhulu man nge-Chiefs, I think nama coaches there lapha nabo like ngathi bafuna uku-experience into eziningi, understand? Like masukuma game aso akusesikhathi soku-experiment, so uyawazi ama-player kumele wasebenzise nama-player kumele ungawasebenzisi, but bona ngathi basisena basa-experiment kahle and then it's good ukubona i-Sundowns qualify going to the next stage, but they've been doing this for the past but for mina nhlanhla ngisasho namanje abangiconvince this year.
Sundowns?
It's
Not at all.
Yeah, bakusi-team engiconvinceayo kakhulu ukuthi like indlela abadlala ngayo kusisile Sundowns bengihlonipha.
What do you think the problem is, Michael?
No, like manje mongabheka like Sundowns, they've got quality ndlandla. In terms of quality, bana quality players lapha kibo, but mongabheka man istyle sabo sokudlala man abasathusi njengala season. The previous season futhi ngisho. For the past
8 seasons
eight
maybe.
season,
Yeah.
like the way we were performing ngakhona mara manje abasathusi. Abasathusi.
Yo. Tabo.
Yeah.
You
Thanks,
say
John Fitz.
Ngikrendwena?
Yeah.
Tabo wena uvele washo ukuthi ikhosi lizophuma. And then Sundowns, it was going to be a very difficult game. And this also meant that if the coach wins, he gets to stay. And if he loses that game, there was rumors vele zokuthi he might be leaving should he lose that game, because now they hold it. Look, I'm quoting what is being said out there, ukuthi bathi usakhona, because they've got hope that he will take them to the final.
Until the weekend be a very important very important for South African two South African teams. Stellenbosch very well be out already. I'm talking about two big teams, Giant, the Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. Team calling Sundowns. Sundowns, they're not been convincing this year in Atlanta, if I can be honest with you, but they've got quality players.
Yeah.
Players who can decide games, bona, themselves, not the coach. And they know what it's at stake, players. Sometimes we do it as players because it's career yakho, yabo. You don't need to be told. Yabo, because sometimes if you can let you go because of our Lali, there's nothing that, because you're not performing, there's nothing that you can do. So it was a game of players being needed one. Rulani, it was a Mamelodi attacking versus tactics. Tacticians and versus the attack. Sometimes not been convincing. They let go special players. Players that they need. Lomfano KK. You understand? Which is, I believe, Khodisang. The boy, I believe, is so talented and Bibam Nida. They lost Repero and no Masego Bamluza. And then they sign Abu Munapoli Saling, which is, I believe, Masego and Munapoli Saling is more or less the same. Yes, individually, Mfano Chivile, Munapoli Saling, because Gunesisha City only could has been given a chance, but to pound, when you check, almost the same. They've got speed, technique. Umfana's done well for national team, good as Katastuli, now Masego, Mfano Chivile for Orlando Pirates, individual and also with Orlando Pirates. So, it sometimes let those players go and Beba need, especially this season. Because of the style of play, coach, I don't think he believes in those players. Nalente technical director, he needed his own players because he brought 2 players from South America, which is Nuno. A city Nadia se Colombia 3. Nuno was a Portugal, this guy, Uresinho, brought him this Colombian guy as well, the striker. So, give me. I believe with you, Uresinho, it's something that person I told at South Africa. When we are passer, technically, like an example, international player, udlala basic football, singamthola mfethu. Lo muntu singamthola nentwana eziningi kakhulu as master basic. We've got so many developed players. And then Ununo kunama moment. He performed this week. Ngifuna ukubona ama big games. They were so hype ukuthi ba replace uRibeiro. Noma bangayifihle Sundowns, there was big replacement ya Sundowns. And the other one, top class player for me so far, has done well. Each and every game he plays, he scores. A very dangerous player. He can play, technically very good. He master runs. He understand the positioning. He understand pega le pole balkorra la ka Sales ubhek position yakhe kuphi. And against intaining, he understand the strengths of each team. It's a team yakhe. And akuthatha ngesikhathi utafunda ama teammate wakhe. So I'm talking about the Colombians. So it's Sundowns going to this game being easy. Yabo coach yes Sundowns changing the way approach games. You can't approach game the way approach like the way and approach a game ngakhona. And ngihlale ngisho a best coach take out the best out of individual players. Abomkwena masikhuluma nje VAR is not the same. Me now the people I don't care who says people what. It's not Mkwena lo ngimbone kurulani mina. You understand? Alende now is starting on the bench. Marcelo Alende phela mawufuna identity Sundowns. I know good people bazothi Alende now identity. The philosophy of Sundowns. I'm talking about keeping the ball. To train my opponent and then you break them. You need a lane. Technically very good. Upeti mirror. He hardly lose the ball. You understand? Compliment Mkwena. You understand? Now the coach put him on the bench. Because of a reason wakhe. Ngibone amagame ayi-3-2 mcane namanje umcale benchini came. And Sundowns second half much better. Going to the game Rulani, it doesn't have players lama player ngendlela yafuna ukudlala ngawo yena. Akanayo those type of players. So it was a mountain to climb for him. You can't rely on tactics. You can't rely ukuthi uyovika. Ngihlale ngisho mina approaching games and say uyovika. It's not going to happen. Unika ama opponent confident. 20 minutes they will get bazokusaba but they will punish you once they see ukuthi la kunanix. Players kaRulani, it doesn't have special players. They rely on team yonke, team effort. Abantu abadlala ngecharacter. Also obvious ukudlala le tournament kuyabanceda this experience. Kodwa laba abantu enye into engibabone ngabo futhi yona le MCIJ, when they travel away they lose. At home baba difficult because of the crowd referees which
possibly,
is true. But with football mina bengazi ukuthi because players at Sundowns coach Sundowns enokubeka umdiba ngaphandle which is one of the best player iPSL approaches left isikhathi esithi ngikhuluma nge-wing back yala ball lamfana. So players they did it for themselves. Mina bengazi ukuthi ama players that they will do bazozenzela kule way. So Orlando was nothing that he could do. Uyabo beka akanayo man into elimazayo, akaphethanga into elimazayo hitting opponent to defend ama tactical underline tactics. You need players. It's a give and take. Izandla zithu. So well done to Sundowns. But I saw the best of Sundowns, especially second half. Okay. I need to be honest, much better compared to chemistry, maybe if not these two. If I had better compared with the season, not convincing now. Now being convincing, because build up a bit slow. They break you and then delay. They keep on playing these 3 South American players. Which is Uresinho. Okay, it's about the striker too. Uresinho, no. Sometimes Uresinho for me it's unnecessary. You can't put Mkhulisi like said that guy. You can't. Mkhulisi, I understand the coach with some Gwensan. So he into the technical director with the brought these players and then they paid a lot of money they needed to play. It's in the favoritism. And then I think sometimes it is a good winner that game for me, if I can be honest to you.
Okay. Michael, your team. Your former team, no, you too. They are out of the Carling Cup. They didn't play the MTN 8. They are out of the Nedbank Cup. The only thing that's left for them to do right now is to win the league. There is 8 points between them and the current log leaders, which is Orlando Pirates. There's a 6-point gap between them and Mamelodi Sundowns. But let's talk about what could have gone wrong? You've already said like it was the technical team that disappointed them. The players didn't apply their minds. Let's bear in mind, Uguti, Lama player Lawa, much as they were playing in the CAF, it's something that Chiefs has not done in a long time. Do we blame the fact that it was inexperience that could have caused them, or their mental strength was not fully on board?
Njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla man, into engiyibona kakhulu ku Chiefs manje ne. Like even these coaches, even if basoloko bawina, but nimbona nange Nedbank when I was going to play in Nedbank Nhlanhla, uye like bangathi like bekadelele and mangathi uyabheka iChiefs inesikhathi eside ngawina ama trophy. You understand? So lento yabo ye rotation, I think now ama coaches ibuye babulale lento, because if you want to build a strong team, angeke ubuild a team around ngabantu where they get confident. And then when you change a little team, so far after such a long time, understand. So I think now my coaches are like rolling kuru now, bulala play confident, I understand, because you confident I build as umuntu you win 4 games. After 4 games, jenga udlala neStellenbosch, uthathe risk lapha ngokuthi I think rest ama player for you can't rest ama player if you don't have so many trophies wadlalela. You understand? If it was a Pirates or a Sundowns, it was different. Because it makes over much better. We ask I save these players for this kind of a trophy or for a league, you understand?
Yeah.
But you're not competing, and then you come you rotate the team. For me, lapho inte we bashaya kakhulu like yabo. Ngoba monga bacheka nabo, they are not playing a good football, but they've been getting positive results. But still, when as a coach, you hamba futhi usawuchintsha lento ufuna like like uqala phansi usabhila, you understand? So I think into engikhala ngayo kakhulu ku Chiefs like ama coaches man, they are not spot on.
Yeah.
Too many mistakes about yenzayo. Like not ba gambula man, they are gambling. Each and every game starting line up is gambling because namhlanje ubona lona utshela ukuthi hayi lona next week uzoba khona. Like yonke into seyichangeile. So I think bona so far this season bona they've been doing well ngoba win ama games because they are number 3.
Yeah.
But in terms of quality yama player, I think now kusamele ukuthi baye market.
You were complaining about the fact that Bakora won, they're not winning convincingly. And people are also saying that once they score a goal, it's very difficult for them to come back. Now, what happened is that Zamalek scored 2, they came back behind to score 1, but they couldn't equalize. But yeah, Malbashai Sekpelele, they cannot score again. Are they not hungry enough to score goals? Scoring department, yini.
The problem with Chiefs actually game less. The problem with Kaizer Chiefs and the technical teams I'm talking management. Let me put it that way. Management we don't have to hide. We played myself and Michael Nkambule. If your former team is doing this, sometimes. Let's face the reality. The problem with Kaizer Chiefs, I saw the game okanye last season ngihlale ngisho mina yabo. Technical team management, they're supposed to appoint a coach that is so experienced to understand the identity, the culture of the club long ago.
Yeah.
A coach ozoba namagazi ukuba question ukuthi I don't have players. If ngimekele mandate, if you say I must win MTN8, iKhaling, iNedbank ngifuna kube ku position 1 or 2. Ukuze ngikazi ukudlala iConfederation Cup or Champions League, I need this and this and this, and many ngisanele 12 players.
Sure.
Ngicela imali enganga 15 million. They won Nedbank last year. Bekumele sengikhulumela previous lokho yasikele last year.
Sure.
The problem ngathi abayifuni coach enjalo. Yabo? They're supposed to appoint a coach long ago. A coach which is, I believe, mina uPitso Msimane beyangabanceda. With the mangithi bekangabanceda uPitso, Nhlanhla, that guy is prove himself. Why sihlonipha ama international coaches that I believe they don't even understand our identity. Asekeleni skin. They understand. I mean, this lento le uPitso has proved himself. He won Champions League, he won the league. At Sundowns several times. He brought something Sundowns being nice, signing these high profile players.
Sorry to interject, ne? Coach Gavin Hunt is that coach that won trophies with other teams, but he failed at Kaizer Chiefs. What seems to be the problem
the
there
identity.
Again? Because he knows, he understands
Yeah.
the football, yes,
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs, he understands the South African football. He is a credible coach,
Yeah.
but he still couldn't get it right
About
with them.
Kevin Hunt, that's why they don't last in teams. I'll be honest. I've got big respect for the achievement of the coach. You can't bring Kevin Hunt at Kaizer Chiefs because he's a high-profile coach. Begu simple for him to question the management. Ukuthi mina ngangidlale ngale team. He said the team yonke right. Yabo ngibelieve lokho because he high profile coach there. He won the league several times. Kuhlale ngisho when win ugly. Kevin Hunt when did the last won the league.
Okay.
Struggle now because I think bambonile. It shifts job ngisho you needed somebody who understand style of play inhlanhla lento ngicela uthathe serious. You bring the structure in the team. Less structure cala. Chiefs management management they're supposed to bring former players who've done well for themselves.
Okay.
Former players so that the boardroom when they negotiate when they talk about signing players ngikhuluma ngaba buthabo mina Mdokishi Dr. Khumalo understand the identity the culture of the club. Mlethu Farouk has done well is prove himself as a head coach, a development head of development also be linked the first team. It achieves the strong points about we go produce some youngsters that can yeah, but we
Yes.
it's true. Then buying good player that they perform to other teams when they come to Chiefs, they shivering. The list goes on. I can't go back and talk. So a problem with Chiefs accent damage. So going to the game, it was a mountain to climb. You spoke about the experience, the quality of players, the coaches inexperienced too. Yeah, well, Leopold Yusuf and Kazi. So very difficult for me. Those coaches, their assistant, Munyoze as a Uzotolik, like you understand now become a co-coach, and then the other one was the assistant. So a coach that brought them, Mambisi, I'm sure you have shared this too. Players that choose quality. I don't think those players they can be compete in the tournament. I mean, we talk about Zamalek here. If you can be realistic in Atlanta, Chiefs lost against Zamalek here. The rivalry. Ngale bola leli bamphusha uMikel in the negative foul. Zamalek complained le bola lela if we can be honest bekumele ngabe Chiefs asikho la sibuya khona over the weekend. So I problem yabo going to the game it was a mountain to climb because Zamalek a very strong side. They won this tournament twice. We understand and competing this tournament each and every year. In Egypt they win a trophy because gune Al Ahly that is so strong. So they win a trophy each and every year. Kaizer Chiefs went it last after the way Nedbank. And you won the Nedbank, you lose the first game. And then actually in store. So going to the game, players themselves quality. And also the coaches this question. The development structure players that come from the development structure rank from development I'm not convinced with them. And not players the problem with development. They've got the talent, that talent. Because you can't buy and spend on the business. You need to be smart. So going to the game, I was not convinced.
Yeah, from one neighbor that disappointed their team, New Valentines, to a team that made the happy people and retained the happy people, gave them love on Valentine's Day. Orlando Pirates are back. Orlando Pirates are still on top. And they gave them 3 goals, 3 points, and keeping them afloat when it comes to the title race. Michael, yadle mnyama.
Uyazi Nhlanhla yadle mnyama abakwate kakhulu labantu kulesi. No, but kule nto leyo wena Nhlanhla ngifuna ukukhuluma kule nto eceda ukukhulunywa uJunior, but if you can check iPirates neChiefs, there's different lento ayisho ukuthi okay, before I'm a player, everybody loved the Chiefs, everybody wanted to play for the Chiefs.
Yeah.
But ukuza kweSundowns yabona singamane sikhulume senzene Chiefs need ukuthi namele bakhiphe imali.
Yeah.
Bayenze njengePirates. Yabona iPirates singasho they're playing good football. They're doing what but Nhlanhla bheka into abayenza in terms of signing of players Nhlanhla. Without iklub enkulu you must buy quality players Nhlanhla. You need to keep imali esikhwameni and go and get the best. In order mangabe uthi ufuna ukuzocompete Nhlanhla. iSundowns iyenzile lento siyibonile. Akusukuthi uma unemali uspenda, you must spend wisely because bonile ngocoach iSundowns ufikile Mr Patrice ngemali yakhe. Sibonile bebathenga ama player more than each and every season it was buying more than 10 players. You understand? But fika umuntu one plan uzitshelile ukuthi okay mina lana ngizowina ngizelanga uzojoke ucoach Pitso. He changed everything. He was buying players but quality. I think into lekhayo manje, and it's the only thing manje enceda iPirates. Mabathi yadle mnyama akusukudlala nhlanhla uyosayina iplay lifana noApolice. Akusukudlala nhlanhla, and then that guy Mageza obvious meleza zo deliver, they know very well. But if ungachecka ku Chiefs, aish lama season esibekile they've been signing ama free agent kakhulu nhlanhla. Yeah, singamane sisho senzeni. I think manje management mele ihlale phansi kule season ezayo. I-coaches ozandlanda mele bayinike blank check. I think nabo mabazolanda i-coach manje mele balanda umuntu obaziyo ukuthi lo muntu esothi hayi umuntu ozomlanda ozomxosha nga6 months yeah, I think manje yinto kumele bayenze, because if ungachecka iPirates manje is the best team in South Africa in terms of what they're playing, good football, check management, the way how they manage the team, everything in Atlanta top notch. In terms of signing players, bheka no coach abamlethile now owadu, bheka the previous coach, like you understand everything is spot on man. In terms of management, players about sign about later up Atlanta. That's why I think iPirates change kangaka Atlanta. They are competing for every trophy manje khona.
Michael, wena bowuthi i-coach ePirates isazomshaya lento leyo ukuthi ashintshe afake lo, but that thing is still working for him, with alternating like different players with every game. Every player that shows up, wants to score, wants to be in the team, and mentally the team is at a stronger place than it was before. But everybody wants to win for Pirates. What do you think the secret is?
Njengoba ngisho ndlandla ukuthi first owadu ufikile oluza 2 games, everybody bekan play ma ukuthi ubench ubani akadlalisi bani, should this guy naye bekane plan yakhazi ukuthi mina I've got my own plan ezongisebenzela kule season ukuthi inkonzo. I think lento yakhe yokurotate isquad ndlandla imncede kakhulu in terms of i-competition ukuthi ibe health ne. But you know football injani, if bekaluza besomplay mangalento ye-rotation, you understand, but because he's winning sizosho ukuthi iyamsebenzela. But so far ndlandla everybody ku Pirates they've got njengisho it's easy to rotate because it's got quality.
You
understand, you can rest to a police ufaka umuremi, you can rest to really ufaka Tito, just look at Tito man. Tito
bengadlali for quite some time, ubuyile uyakora,
you understand ndlandla the competition is healthy lapha. So uyazi ukuthi manje okay if uPirates angeke ngifaka ubani uyazi ukuthi kuzongena abantu, but if you check njengekhosi uyabona man bastruggle kakhulu makungekho lo uyabona ukuthi vele yazini. But kuPirates manje that guy can bench really adlale ngabanye, but still
ama results
into important. So I think ina into iconile kuPirates I squad management iconile this season ndlandla are ama coaches afana nanomchita lokuthi anga-rotate team leyo rotate ngakhona bese win nganendlela wina ngakhona.
Another thing I think that we are observing on the pitch, right? Every time a goal is scored, the coach celebrates with them. Do you think that also gives them that thing yokuthi like we are a team? Like, you know, it doesn't matter who scores. He stands up, he goes, he celebrates. He's like a father.
Uyakubonisa ukuthi bonke laba bantwana bami, I don't care ukuthi kwenzakalani, I don't care ukuthi kuyala bani, whoever dlalayo is got a trust kuye ukuthi okay I believe in my players man. That's why uyamtshita like usupportive man. Akusilo umuntu le coach ukuthi ezenza kwabona endlini uthola ubaba mara ufuna ukuthi endlini kufile ukuthi hayi this ubaba yabo kunabo baba uthola ukuthi abantwana bakhe kuba ngathi like abangani bakhe. So it's one thing odu wayenza ku Pirates, everybody is happy lapha ndlandla, akekho complainayo akekho wenzani. But if you check everybody rotate the team, akunamuntu uzothi trust ubani ukuthi uzodlala weekend, no.
So it's important to have a coach that is like a father, but a happy father, a father that's ozokukhulisa kahle, onyakaza kuqinisela isandla.
Because ndlandla njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ungasiqinisa isandla, sibabonile ababa ba strict ukuthola endlini bathi ubaba strict mara umuntu ubheka abantwana bagcina sebaphuma endlini, you understand. So sometimes not the matter ukuthi uba strict ngaleyo ndlela, yedinge ukuthi umuntu noma nenkinga akwazi ukukhuluma nawe, you understand, because once uba strict kakhulu even noma ngine problem ezingihluphayo it will be difficult for mina ukuthi ngikhulume nawe.
Yeah. All right, now talking about Orlando Pirates sitting on top, 6 points clear behind Mamelodi Sundowns, 8 points clear behind Kaizer Chiefs, which is sitting on number 3. We are going to get into the predictions right now because there's 2 crucial games coming up this week as well as next week. It's a big one. Some say it could be possibly a decider, and it sets the tone. I'm going to remind you of the things that you said as well. For Pirates, his second season is obanzima, and this guy has to prove himself. Where are you as far as that thought is concerned now?
You mean the second round of
The second round of the season. Bote like Izobanzima, and Sundowns is still going to take it. We are talking now where number 2 and number 3, it's 8 points from number 3, 6 points from number 2. You're still saying Isazobanzima for the log leaders.
We pile pants is gonna happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
In clicks, just before a prediction gangani, each Chiefs need to learn from Orlando Pirates. You bring youngsters Jengabunkota. It's a mix of experience and proper quality youngsters. Youngsters should make man develop it because nena spend money men and promote. No, you need to be ready. It's just the parent nearly Chiefs accept papa niya. No. Miyazo player perform 3 games, 5 games. Melasai me Pirates which is access to play under that fully Pirates. Ukudlala lapha Nhlanhla banandaba ukuthi uGorillas to 3 goals. You need to uChiefs ukudlala mfethu ngiyaxolisa Nhlanhla mina mangifika la hayi kabi. Into engayibona la akusizi. Psychologically izokushaya. When they sit with you with a contract, ilimaza whatever you have. So ukudlala kuChiefs and Pirates access. Chiefs need to learn from Orlando Pirates. You spend money with proper quality players. You bring a coach who understands the identity, the culture of the club. And then uncingazi ukuthi bamkhiphe I think incedile Orlando Pirates. Ngikhuluma nange ukungaluze ezinye izinto wathi bekazofika enze into zakhe because it doesn't know Pirates much. So credit abumpumi Khoza, Dr. Ivan Khoza, Mpumi Khoza, abunkosana credit umxolisi as well kuneyawuthi behind the scene alazi ibhola. I'm talking about signing players abantu abazi umxolisi unesandla esikhulu after Braston hamba. Pirates they don't sign players in Nhlanhla for the sake ukuthi akusign. They sign you on rotation. Because noma ngabe yazi star player Nhlanhla replay quality noma ngabe alidlali he will adjust very simple. You understand ungabona ukuthi match fitness and when you bring a quality you sign a player kana excuse they bought him with a lot of money. When it comes they will want to do best, so each is need to learn mix experience. Now Pirates made a lot of money on Kota, true, the boy made money and the product yabo. And really ngiyazi ukuthi develop a school of excellence, but they sign him spend a year or 2 with TTC Orlando Pirates. That's I'm talking about development. So it should need to learn. It development balekile Nhlanhla ungayidelela a lot yabo because players who are coming from there they understand the culture, the identity of the team. So Pirates mfethu Nhlanhla a very exciting team mfethu. Yeah, Pirates umuntu lapha wonke uyazi ukuthi akuna yabona wari ngicela ukumcompliment uJose Rivera ngiyazi abantu bebamthanda mina bengidifa noJose. He had one style of play, counter attack, break the speed. Onkota relebkhele Mfukeng and then Makgopa finish, that's all. Pirates now suck you. They circulate ibhola njenga le wari ngicela yabona unyaka so phela manje ngizomshayela izandla. Ithatha isikhathi ngoba uma coach ama talented team kunzima ukuthi sikubone. Mina ngikhuluma nokuwin igame, ukuread igame and come on the prove guys 6 7 8 9. Angazi ngithola Pirates win convincing. Yekela indaba zokukora yabona ukukora Nhlanhla phela ukuzukora kumele ucabange. You understand, you need to mele kube ne rotation. There must be a build up, a combination play in order for you to score. They don't score on a set piece Orlando Pirates. Yes, set piece Pirates they've got individual quality players. Khuluma ngentwana ezincane quality intwana ezincane. Yabo Pirates took out the best after Lemfana Mbogazi one season done out. I-development yabo lento engikhuluma nge-development angithi ngikhuluma nge-development mangithi mina asikhulumi i-development yabona ubaluleka kwayo ukuthi lo mfana how much. So now Pirates mayodlala egamini uwari ngimshayela izandla mayidlala iPirates will dominate you each and every game they play. That's why supporters into abafuna ukuyibona. They took out the best out of these young players and coach compliment futhi ukuthi awin changing room. That guy is a father figure to players. Ukuphendulela uMichael lento ukuthi why celebrate. I think unalisting ukuthi ngincanywa nonke. Yabo ngithanda no I don't care who scores. Obviously coach must have his favorite player noma angekatshele wonke umuntu. Ayikho coach engana favorite player. Yabo he's got his favorite player but uyanibonisa ukuthi mina nginani madoda. Angisulo umuntu engifuna ningisabe because a coach akusipho yisa. Yabona okanye so he's a coach coordinator. Umuntu players must be happy, the coach must be. So well done to Orlando Pirates. I'm fit in Nhlanhla. Yes, ngithi Sundowns you win because of the experience, the quality, ebana individual. But if I can be pound to pound each and every game, it's very exciting to watch Orlando Pirates. I need to be honest. Mina nje Pirates into ezobashaya njengoba nje kuya phambili. The experience Champions League Sundowns izoyisebenzisa now second round of the season uzobona. Last 10 minutes uyibhale phansi uzobona.
Okay. And then your score prediction for Wednesday's game. Yeah.
Hi Sundowns win 2-1.
2-1.
Yeah.
Kuyokoraban.
Lo mkweni ubambi long range.
Yeah.
Yabo le ngwenyu Leon.
Uh-huh.
Le eceda ukufika. Yokhashaza and then Orlando Pirates uzokhele emfukeni. Uzokora and a very outstanding goal. Umfana wenzima nga weekend knockout yeah.
Okay. Michael, your predictions. Score. And then uzongitshela ukuthi ukoraba bani.
Angeke ngitshela ukora one manje mina Pirates yawina.
Score.
Hayi le ngathi izoyitshontsha nge-1-0.
Okay. All right. And that is it. We are wrapping up the show. Sizokhuluma is Sundowns the Pirates masiqeda ukudlala and talk about the other games that will come as well. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content. Remember, this episode was brought to you by World Sports Betting. That is WSB. #bet with the best. See you on the other side. Thank you, Sabo.